Yo, what up, what up? So, I gotta talk to you about this. So the business, my business. If you guys see a bunch of, you're not gonna see a bunch, but you're gonna see some posts on there, on my Instagram page that's gonna link a lot of my business with Cloth and Craft Boutique. If you don't know about that, you'll see it. You'll see like some merch pop up in the page there, and that's what I use to fund like pretty much everything. That's my business. Me and my wife, we run that. It's a retail craft business store. Do a lot of laser engraving as well for like jewelry, wooden jewelry and stuff like that. Some people may not know that, but that's what we do. That's how we pay the bills. So you will see a lot of shameless plugs, and that's simply because that's our brand, right? Most people get on Instagram, it's cold as hell. It's like 30 degrees or less. It's snowing too. Most people will advertise other brands as far as like affiliate marketing. Like for us here on the moto scene, like I don't have any affiliate marketing with like MBT or anything like that, right? So my first investor is my own company, and I think that's really cool. So if you are working, somebody told me this when I was somebody told me this before I quit to run my business full time. They told me, and they said they said don't look at your job. If you're working and you're trying to get your business off the ground, they always said, don't look at your job, or look at your first job, or look at your current job as your first investor. Use those funds to invest into your business. Your first job is your first investor. So don't look at your job as something holding you back. Look at it as your first investor, and that's what I did. So, make a lot of we focus on a lot of urban wear as far as clothing. I do a lot of my own graphic designs. Some designs I commission out, stuff like that, but I am fully dedicated spend way more than an hour every day, daily, on my two businesses. We have two businesses. The first business, House of Joseph Co., is very successful, and I started that, and it was very hard. This cloth and craft business, this is our second business, and basically building from the ground up. So it's very hard, right? It's very, very hard. But being successful with our first business, we kind of know exactly what to do with this one. So it's just baby steps, man, baby steps. But I'm going to be releasing a lot of motorcycle or race themed content. Gonna release a really good one. It's gonna be called Ride More, and it's gonna have quite a few pieces in that collection, and this is gonna be, like I said, inspired from my moto guys and girls, and you should enjoy them. I apologize, I just had a spicy chicken sandwich, and that shit is coming up. Not bad, but it's making me burp bad. But anyways, yeah, check it out. Right? Make sure you head over to Cloth and Craft Boutique. Make sure you sign up, or I say sign up, make sure you follow though, and you'll be able to see some of the releases that we put out. But again, I'm going to be getting some samples here soon as well. I got some more samples coming in to kind of show off. But you're going to see it on this. You're going to see it on the Instagram when I'm riding. You're going to see like a lot of the merch, and just know that it is not I wouldn't call it per se a money grab. Like most people, influencers per se, like, you'll have like influencers that, you know, after they get some traction, then they put out merch, right? Obviously to help continue to build their brand. With us, it's a little different. I've already been running this business for before the gram. So me just trying to get it taken off is what basically I'm trying to do. So I'm going to plug it. I'm going to plug it. And I'm proud of it, man. Really good stuff. I don't create stuff that I don't wear. So it is what it is. Anyways, man, make sure you check out Cloth and Craft Boutique. Cloth and Craft Boutique, man. It is really, really cool gear at a really, really affordable price. And you're not going to be able to find this stuff anywhere else, man. That's how unique our designs are. So anyways, catch you guys in the next video. Peace.